guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe here for more. So this is a demo of the first 5 patterns in the Foxtrot that we teach on our website, and we do teach them all individually over there, and we teach the first 3 over here. We'd truly appreciate it if you would go check out our website. It would mean the world, and we break everything down and much more, including technique and all that good stuff. So go check it out, subscribe here, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye.